Hi everybody, today I am going to show you how to create a letter poster in Canva. So first of all, click on create a design and right here YouTube thumbnail. And now click on the first one. So the page is opened. Now go on elements and search any animal name that you want to add. Like I am adding this animal. Go on photos and select the picture which you want. I like this one, and now adjust this to your background. And now scroll down and click on frame, see all, and right here G, and click on this one, increase the size. Get the image and set adjust this like I am adjusting. So after adjusting, click on done, and now duplicate the G letter and go on edit photo, click on adjust and decrease to 0 the brightness and add the 6 weight and change the color to white. And now uh, click on three dot, go on layers, show options and go to background of first D letter. Adjust this by your background picture. Okay, so adjust this like background and click on done when you're done. So now click on your background image and click on edit image, do a background move, and after that select the image and adjust this like this. Now download this as a transparent background. Download. Wait a second. Okay, after downloading, add this image to your upload section and add an page and add this image to another page and change the background color. So now I get this image and I'm duplicating, and after duplicating click on flip whatever and use this as a shadow and then go on elements and go back from this frames section and go on the shapes and click on this box. Click on this and change the color to gradient, first one, and click on this plus and change the gradient style. And now you can change the color, like I am changing black to transparent because I need one color, so that's why I am doing black transparent. And second color, I am setting this as my background color. Okay, so I have done. And now adjust this as a fade. Okay, so adjust this like this, and now you can download this. Subscribe to learn more about Canva.